Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So yeah, so much for my last video. My wife yesterday, she went to the market and somebody backed into her car. So as you can see, the glass is the tail light is broken, and then there's a little big old dent right here. So since I have this little kit, last time I video you guys and show you guys a little bit, so since I still have that kit for $15, so let me try to use that and trying to pop it out as much as I could. Like I said, I'm not a professional, you know, I'm just like you guys. So if I can get it, most of them pop out, you guys can do it too. So they have this little pin right here that you glue it in with they give you all the glue and everything that you can glue it in, and then you wait until it dry a little bit, and then you use this tool. They have a whole bunch of tools, but I'm using this right now, like the puller, so to pull it so it pop out. So let's see how it'll go, and let's see how it work, or if it's work or not. So like I said, I am not a professional, so if I can do it, you can do it too. So basically you put a little glue in, put in the area you want to pop it out. Like this one, they have a little dent right here. So as you can see, I have a couple of them right here. So we're trying to pull it out as we go, but usually you left the glue on for about maybe 5 minutes, and after the 5 minutes, then I can show you how to do the puller. You start trying to pull it slowly, and hopefully it will come out. It will pop back out. And like this one, I probably have to replace it. I already put in the order, so it's gonna be on our next video. So this one is have to be replaced. Other than that, we just wait for like maybe 5 minutes, and then I'll show you if we can pop it out or not. Okay. All right, so be right back. All right, you guys, it's about maybe 5 minutes. So let me try to see if I can pull that out. So hopefully I can pull that out. Okay, as you can see, this one is it's getting better. Well, this one we popped out a little bit, as you can see on the angle. It's kind of pulled out a little bit, as you can see. So now we just have to do a little bit right here and a little bit right here, and hopefully it's gonna pop out. So I'll go ahead and do the setup again, and slowly I'm trying to pull it out. And after I finish, I will show you if it's actually work or not. As you can see, it's getting a little bit better. It's popping out a little bit right here. So that's a good sign. So I'll be right back and see if that will really work. Okay, you guys, so I got another set right here. So let's try to pull it one more time and see how far it goes. So as you can see, it started coming out. It's getting better. A couple right here, maybe one more right here, couple right here, one more right here, and somewhere right here. And this thing is popping out good. This thing just a little bit more. Other than that, it's a slow, careful process. So I'll be right back. Alright, guys, after a couple of work, I have to open the trunk and then hit them out a little bit, but then the angle is so hard to do, so there's no way you can do anything else, and that's the best you can do with the puller. And then would open the trunk, and then I hit the trunk a little bit, so it came out a little bit better, but you can see a big old mark that's here, and it's never gonna be like perfectly smooth. So the only thing you can do is right now, if you want like completely perfect, you have to do a filler right here and then repaint this whole area, and that's how it's gonna be. So you can see from this angle. So that's it. That's the best I can do. And then I will replace the light. and that's how it is. So the puller does work, but it's not, 100%. So if you're watching YouTube on other people that are using on a puller and they pull completely out, look all perfect, that's only about 10% of the case. Most of the time that you're gonna have this. So there you go. Here's the angle from far away. There you go. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.